everyone, welcome to Winter Fun at Yorkton Public Library. Every day this week we'll be doing a different activity or a little experiment, and we'd like you to join us. After each one there will be a story, so stay tuned for that. It'll be good for all ages. If you're a little old and you don't want to stick around for the story, that's fine, but as far as all of our activities this week, they're going to be a lot of fun. So today I'm just at home. I'm showing you this experiment. It's a little bit easier to do at home. So today we're making snow cream. So basically it's ice cream made with snow. So to start you need 1 cup of milk, a 1/3 cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And then you're just gonna stir that up. Make sure your sugar is all dissolved. You should be able to feel when it's getting dissolved in there. It smells good already. That vanilla smells good. Okay, that should be good. And then I have 8 cups of fresh snow. Now you want to make sure it's as clean as snow as you can find, because you don't want to be eating dirty snow. So it's good to do this right after a snowfall, and then you'll be sure to have fresh snow. And you're just going to mix it all in. Just going to keep adding my snow. You can see it mixes right in. And if you don't, you can use milk, any kind of milk. I used 1%. I know a lot of people drink 2%, but if you have cream at home, it would probably taste even better. But I think it would work with anything. So you just keep stirring. You'll see it sort of starts to, the milk and sugar mixture starts to melt the snow just slightly. And then it starts coming together. I don't think I'm going to add any more snow. I'm just going to keep stirring. So that might have been over 8 cups that I had to begin with. Just going to keep stirring here until it looks like it's all come together. Okay, and then I'm going to put it into a little cup or bowl here that I have, just like a real sundae. And we're going to put a little bit of sprinkles on top, and that'll make it even better. And there you go. There we have it, snow cream. Everybody try that at home. Bye. All right, guys, to go along with our snow cream making activity, we have a book called Should I Share My Ice Cream? And this is an Elephant and Piggy book, and there's a big series of these, and they're all very good books, so you should come check them out. They're quite characters. Ice cream, get your cold ice cream for a hot day. Oh boy, ice cream. Elephant likes ice cream. 1 ice cream, please. Here you go. He's green ice cream. I wonder what flavor it is. Do you think maybe it's lime or pistachio or whatever? A mint, maybe? Oh boy, I love ice cream. Wait, Piggy loves ice cream too. Piggy is my best friend. Should I share my ice cream with her? He's thinking, would that be a nice thing to do? I think so. Should I share my awesome, yummy, sweet, super great, tasty, nice, cool ice cream? He's thinking hard about this. Maybe Piggy does not like this flavor. Now I think he's thinking of himself. He wants to eat it all himself. Oh, come on. Sorry guys, can't get my page apart here. Sharing a flavor Piggy does not like would be wrong. I will eat the ice cream. Oh, he's going for it. Wait, Piggy will like this flavor. It is very yummy. I'll share my ice cream. It will not be easy. Uh-oh, what's happening to the ice cream? There's a drip and a little puddle. It is starting to melt. Hey, Piggy is not here. She does not know I have ice cream. Now he's being evil. He's gonna eat the ice cream. I will eat the ice cream. Where is Piggy? What's happening now? Pretty soon he's not going to have any ice cream left. It's really melting. What if she is sad somewhere? Can't stop thinking about his friend. I must find her. Oh, he's thinking about when he finds her, he'll share his ice cream. But this ice cream is melting. In his thoughts, he has a full ice cream. When I do, I'll say, would you like some of my ice cream? Then she will say, thank you. That would cheer me up. He's making up a whole story in his head. Then I'll give her some of my ice cream to share. Yum. Piggy likes it too. Then my best friend will be happy. I'll do it. I will share my ice cream. Finally realized it was all melting. No! Now Piggy cannot have any of my ice cream. Now I cannot have any of my ice cream. I blew it. He's crying. Oh, look who's coming. Piggy. What does Piggy have? Looks like a chocolate ice cream cone. You look sad. Would you like some of my ice cream? Aw, Piggy's offering Elephant his ice cream. Thank you. That would cheer me up. Just what he was thinking before. Yum. There they are together sharing. Huh? That was not my plan, he thinks. Oh well, this works too. So he was thinking about his friend all along to share the ice cream, and then his friend shared the ice cream with him. So that's the end of this activity day. So now come visit us again tomorrow. We'll have a new activity and a different story. Bye guys.